markets at noon, let's get an understanding on Fractal Analytics, India's first AI play IPO. Fractal Analytics is open for subscription from today. The IPO size is over 2,800 crore rupees, of which the fresh issue is 1,023 crore rupees. And to discuss more on this, ET Now Sajid spoke to Srikanth, Vela Makhani, who is the co-founder and group chief executive and executive vice chairman, along with Mr. Ashwat Bhatt, who is the chief financial officer at Fractal Analytics. Listen in.
AI is a transformational technology. It's a general purpose technology that can change everything. It can change how companies operate. It can certainly compress the traditional services model as well. So given that, the potential of AI to potentially sort of reduce the amount of hours required to do any task is the reason why some of the tech stocks today are affected. It is such a transformational technology, but it is today most effective in the case of unstructured data, things like video, voice, and text. Now, when it comes to enterprise AI, a lot of the action is in structured data. Things are in databases, in rows and columns, and spreadsheets, and so on. So you need significant amount of AI expertise and agentic AI in order to drive performance improvement across all the various things that big enterprises are interested in, increasing their revenue growth, increasing their operational effectiveness, increasing their productivity, increasing their innovation, and so on. So what Fractal does is Fractal, with its Cogentic platform and its services, is able to bring in enterprise AI and sort of create these impact for the largest companies in the world. We serve what are called as the must-win clients. These are at least 10 billion in revenue, 20 billion in market cap, or have 30 million customers. There are about 1,000 companies on the planet. We serve 150 of them, and we feel pretty good about the increased improvement in AI as a way to transform these companies.
Sense of the business model as well. You spoke about what you can do for your clients, which are the must-win clients, and more possibly within the Fortune 500 companies which are there. When you look at the entire business model, what is it that you're providing them with, and how does the pricing or the revenue recognition comes in through these services?
Yes, we call it power every human decision in the enterprise. So just imagine a large company, let's say in healthcare space. They currently operate various ways in which they can approve of certain claim, a healthcare claim that comes in. Now, how can you use AI to make sure that the health claims can be automated and therefore more accurate? You're diagnosing illnesses. How do you make sure that that your AI is able to diagnose illnesses better? In the case of consumer goods, how do you make sure that your trade promotions are more effective and they're able to drive your revenue growth? So what Fractal does is brings in its enterprise AI capabilities and platforms in order to drive impact. We charge either on a license and subscription basis or on an output basis, what value we create, or on a people in a consulting basis, how many people are working on the problem, etc. So all three models exist for Fractal, and that's how we drive effect or effectiveness with our clients.
Ashwat, you are raising 1,000 crores. Where is it going to be used for? And how do you, ensure that you, or are the parameters that you look at with respect to return on investment when you invest in AI and AI models?
Yeah, so we are going to spend the 1,000 crores as laid out in the RHP, around 355 crores mainly into R&D. R&D and sales and marketing in our alpha companies, those are our product companies. And then another close to 260 crores is going to be for repayment of a loan that we have in the US subsidiary. Besides that, it's going to get into expanding our offices and buying certain capex related things. So, and purely in terms of ROI, obviously we have an internal hurdle rate that we look at depending on the ROC, and then as long as it crosses the hurdle rate, we decide to invest. And we monitor all our projects closely and ensure that, we either, if you want to fail fast, otherwise continue to invest.